Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Apple just released iOS 14.5 Beta 7 profile for iPhone. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install iOS 14.5 Beta 7 profile. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, connect to internet through Wi-Fi or cellular data, then tap Safari to open and search for betaprofile.com. Tap on first link. After loading the page, scroll down. Here we have iOS beta profile, iOS 14.5 beta 7, and tap on download profile. Tap on download anyways. A pop-up window will appear and we have to tap on allow. Profile downloaded. Tap close. Now minimize the web page. Go to settings. Then tap general, profile and device management, iOS 14 beta software profile. Tap install. iPhone passcode required. Tap install. Tap install again. If you want to restart, then tap on restart. If you don't want to restart, just tap not now and tap done. Now we go for to check the latest version of iOS. Tap on general and tap software update. Now iPhone is searching for latest update. Here we have a iOS 14.5 developer beta 7 and it's holding 3.62 GB. This beta version of iOS 14.5 contain bug fixes and improvements. Now we have to tap download install to get iOS 14.5 developer beta 7. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.